What's up, guys? Let's talk about the S&P 500, specifically SPY futures, which is going to be the E-minis. So this is the 4-hour chart here, and we're going to see that we had a big sell-off, obviously, over the past couple of months. September and October were not very good. We had this drastic sell-off where you can see the 5 Elliott wave impulses coming in, the 3rd, retraced to 4th, down to the 5th. Now, when we come into this support level on our 5th Elliott wave impulse, that's a very good sign that we're going to usually see a push back up, at least to test this 4th Elliott wave impulse. If we look at the daily chart, you're also going to notice we have a very strong order block level that was sitting back there as well. So this would have been a very good time to potentially go long. However, something you have to realize is that looking back here, we really have no idea what that Elliott wave impulse is going to be. You think that when you're looking back that, oh yeah, we could have bought the bottom there, but the problem is a lot of people didn't know if that was going to be the bottom. So we would have set our support level right here as we pushed up on that second candle, and we would have looked to enter somewhere around 4,151, setting a stop loss at a lower low down here, and then looking to take our profit either up at the 4th Elliott wave impulse or all the way up here at this resistance level. This would give you a 7-to-1 risk versus reward, and even down here, taking this at the 4th impulse, that would give you a 4-to-1 risk versus reward. But looking at this moment now, I think that we're probably going to see a short-term rejection. We have finally looking like we're pushing up and getting a bit exhausted from this Elliott wave impulse release, and you can see that we have a bunch of very bearish resistance levels here on the Smart Money Concepts indicator. So if I'm looking at this, I'm thinking that this is a big area of interest that I doubt we're going to break through in the next, couple of days. And more so what I'm expecting here, potential reversal. I would be looking to go short here, set my stop loss up, and then my take profit all the way either back down here or somewhere down around this level. Now, to be quite honest, it looks, just from like price action standpoint, and we'll see if I'm right or wrong, it looks like we're probably gonna end up getting an inverted head and shoulders here. So potential move back down. I really think the furthest that we'll see is maybe a 4,230 pullback. That's the first level I'm watching. But I do think that potentially opening a short here and running this very intelligently is a very good way to make some profit over the next couple of days. You can still ride this to the upside until we see more weakness, or wait for 4,400 before you go short. Just make sure you get the best risk versus reward. But I definitely think that this is something to keep on your watch list going into the next week.